He won the Red Bull dance competition a few years ago, which significantly helped to elevate his dancing career. In FiWi Culture, we meet Skitta Star.
How did dancing begin for you? What drove you into the dancing world?
For me, like from when I was a boy, like me usually watch the dance them, you know what I mean? You have the party, you have the dance videos, you have the movie them like Step Up 3D and so forth. So there's a lot of things that push me into dancing because I'm a family dancer as well, you understand? You know what I mean? A lot of friends around me been dancing from a tender age as well. So it gave me the motivation to start push to dance. So dancing is like in the blood from a longer time.
When did you decide you wanted to do it professionally as a career?
So you can call it say 2011, 2010 them time there, when me say fully get serious for say go into the dancing. So me usually like go on the hotel as a entertainer, dancing for the guests them, dancing for white people as white people that's it. You understand? And you know, me always say I want to join like competition, battles and so forth. So I go in it and decide say me go get serious from them time there.
How has the journey been for you?
It's not an easy journey, you know, but it's focus and self-motivation as well, you understand? So for me, you have to have like the mindset for know say you're gonna do this because not every time the food is coming in that much and so forth. So you know say if you're gonna do something, you're gonna do it to the fullest. You have to put your passion and everything into it. So for me, it's like full self-motivation to keep me going.
So your stage name is Skitta Star, but
Yeah.
what's the name that your parents gave you?
Alright, so my full name is Shakim Thomas, you understand? And otherwise people call me O'Shane. That's a yard name, O'Shane. You know what I mean? But my real name, Shakim Thomas.
How did the name Skitta Star come about?
It's the same hotel system, you know. Oh, I do the flips, the tricks, and go by the rounds them like when my time to perform, I have like I dance fast, you understand, energy. And the name Skitta, it's more Maskita first. Yeah. And then me now cut it off and say Skitta.
Star place hot like Sana. Be a pretty girl, pack up in a makeup banner. I me like me girl, them bad like Rihanna. When me roll out, girl.
Do you enjoy doing what you do?
To the fullest. Like for real, to the fullest, because me I do what I love and actually as a job. So for me, that mixture is like a breathtaking, you understand? So yeah, of course, me really full joy dancing and expressing and helping other people can feel good throughout them day when me dance for them or, you know?
Are there any dance routines that you have created that you have helped to popularize?
A lot of dance routines and even also multiples of challenge on TikTok. Continent challenge, bubble up your waistline baby, that's alkaline, you understand? And a lot more, you know what I mean? So we'll always be setting tasks and always be setting challenges and it go like worldwide, big hits. Yeah.
Have you traveled before to go overseas and conduct dance classes to help to push the culture?
I've been traveling, you know what I mean, but not going on tours until in the last season. So I started to get tours like after the winnings for the Red Bull competition and getting more recognition and so forth. And yes, I tour around like multiple places, Germany, you know what I mean, France, you know what I mean, you can name it a lot.
Talk to us about the Red Bull competition that you won. How did you get involved in the Red Bull competition in the first place?
Alright, so the Red Bull competition now is like, me heard from a friend, you know what I mean? Because it come here like, call it say, 2 times before me even enter the competition. But the second time, that's where I find out about the competition by a friend, you know what I mean? And the friend was in the first rounds, but he never win or anything, but he tell me about the competition. And I say, all right, then let's get it. But it was in the Corona time, so we could not do it in person. So it was more over the mobile. You understand? Yeah. So for me, The Red Bull competition was a competition when I admire from a longer time and want to like do it in person, and I really get that chance, so me take the chance.
Can't believe you got the voodoo. No, new dude, that's true. Mommy got it for.
And just like that, we close the curtains on another episode of Pree Dis Show and also a road trip version. Dre, how was today, bro?
Well, the vibes is nice. The food was amazing. And scenery.
Top notch.
Yeah.
That is it. I'm your host, Nalda Addis, signing out of Worthy Park Estate. Until we see you guys again, take care